Think your Facebook account is safe? Think again, because scammers are getting smarter and platforms like Shorten.is might be giving them the upper hand. On the surface, Shorten.is sounds like a dream tool for creators and marketers. It shortens long URLs and offers extras like password protection, analytics, QR codes, and even link in bio pages. But behind the sleek interface, there's a much more dangerous use case quietly spreading phishing scams masked as official meta support. Scammers are using Shorten.is to disguise fake request for review links that claim your Facebook page is at risk of deletion. The goal? To create panic and push you into clicking before thinking. Once clicked, you're redirected to a fake meta support page designed to steal your login credentials. These aren't just harmless pranks. Once they have your account, they hijack it to spread misinformation, promote fake products, or even scam your friends and followers. What makes this worse is how effectively Shorten.is hides the final destination of the links, making it nearly impossible for the average person to detect the threat before it's too late. This isn't a small issue either. Security tools like Trend Micro Scam Check have flagged multiple phishing attempts using Shorten.is, confirming that this platform is actively being exploited. While the service might not be malicious by design, the lack of stronger content moderation and link transparency is a serious concern. If you're someone who uses or encounters Shorten.is links, especially in urgent messages claiming to be from Meta or Facebook, take a step back and think before you click. A helpful tool in the wrong hands becomes a weapon, and in this case, Shorten.is might be doing more harm than good.